Are you fed up with living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial stability and security? Creating a budget is the first step towards achieving your financial goals. In this video, we'll show you how to create a budget that works for you, not against you. Welcome to our video on how to create a budget for beginners. Creating a budget can seem like a daunting task, but it's a crucial step in taking control of your finances. A budget helps you understand where your money is going, identify areas for improvement, and make conscious financial decisions. In this video, we'll break down the budgeting process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. So, let's get started. Creating a budget is a crucial step in managing your finances. Without a budget, you might run out of money before your next paycheck. A budget shows you how to allocate your income, prioritize your expenses, and make conscious financial decisions. By creating a budget, you'll be able to track your income and expenses. A budget helps you monitor where your money is coming from and going to, ensuring you're aware of your financial situation. Identify areas for cost cutting. By analyzing your expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and allocate that money towards more important goals. Prioritize your financial goals. A budget helps you prioritize your financial goals, ensuring you're focusing on what's most important to you. Make conscious financial decisions. With a budget, you'll be able to make informed decisions about your money, rather than relying on impulse or habit. Now that we've discussed the importance of budgeting, it's time to gather the necessary financial information to create your budget. This includes your income. How much money do you bring in each month? Your fixed expenses. What are your regular, non-negotiable expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and groceries? Your variable expenses. What are your discretionary expenses, such as entertainment, hobbies, and travel? Your debt. Do you have any outstanding debts, such as credit cards, loans, or mortgages? Your savings goals. What are your short-term and long-term savings goals? To gather this information, you can review your past bank statements and receipts. Check your online banking and credit card accounts. Consult with your partner or spouse. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. By gathering this information, you'll have a clear picture of your financial situation and be able to create a budget that works for you. Now that we've gathered our financial information, it's time to categorize our expenses. This will help us understand where our money is going and identify areas for improvement. Common expense categories include housing. Pay for a place to live, including rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Transportation. Get around with a car payment, gas, and insurance. Food. Eat well with groceries and dining out. Insurance. Protect yourself with health, life, and disability insurance. Debt repayment. Pay off debts, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Entertainment. Have fun with hobbies, travel, and leisure activities. Savings. Save for the future with an emergency fund, retirement, and other savings goals. To categorize your expenses, you can use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your income and expenses. This allows you to have a comprehensive view of your finances, making it easier to manage your money and make informed decisions. A budgeting app or spreadsheet can help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate that money towards more important goals. Review your past bank statements and receipts. This helps you gather financial information and understand where your money is going. By reviewing your past bank statements and receipts, you can identify patterns and trends in your spending, making it easier to create a budget that works for you. Consult with your partner or spouse. This ensures that you're both on the same page when it comes to your financial goals and priorities. Consulting with your partner or spouse can help you create a budget that works for both of you, reducing the likelihood of financial conflicts and increasing the chances of achieving your financial goals together. By categorizing your expenses, you'll be able to see where your money is going and make conscious financial decisions. Now that we've categorized our expenses, it's time to set financial goals. This will help us prioritize our spending and make conscious financial decisions. Common financial goals include paying off debt. Reduces the amount of money you owe to creditors and frees up more money in your budget for other expenses. Helps to improve your credit score and reduce financial stress. Building an emergency fund. Provides a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or financial emergencies, such as car repairs or medical bills. Helps to avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Saving for a specific expense, such as a down payment on a house or a vacation. Allows you to plan and prepare for a specific financial goal, such as buying a house or taking a dream vacation. Helps to avoid going into debt when the expense arises, and allows you to enjoy the expense without financial stress. Increasing income. Provides more money in your budget to allocate towards your financial goals, such as paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a specific expense. Can be achieved through a variety of means, such as taking on a side hustle, asking for a raise at work, or pursuing additional education or training to boost earning potential. To set financial goals, you can identify areas where you'd like to improve your financial situation. Determine specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Prioritize your goals based on importance and urgency. By setting financial goals, you'll be able to create a budget that aligns with your values and priorities. Congratulations on making it to the final part of our video on how to create a budget for beginners. By now, you've gathered your financial information, categorized your expenses, set financial goals, and learned how to prioritize your spending. It's time to put it all together and create a budget that works for you. To create a budget, you can use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or simply a piece of paper and a pen. Start by listing your income and fixed expenses, then allocate your remaining income towards your variable expenses and savings goals. Remember to prioritize your spending based on your financial goals and values. Here are some final tips to keep in mind. Review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure it's aligned with your changing financial situation and goals. Avoid impulse purchases and stay committed to your budget. Consider enlisting the help of a budgeting buddy or financial advisor for support and guidance. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a budget that helps you achieve financial stability and security. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.